an account with Wise. Hey guys, all good? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. And in this video I'll show you the step-by-step process to create an account on Wise. Before that, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to the channel. Here I make several tutorials always to make it easier for you. So guys, there are already other related videos here on the channel. If you have questions or curiosities for new videos, I'll leave a playlist on the card that you might like. And in this video I'll show you the whole process to create a Wise account. Leo, what is Wise? The Wise account is a multi-currency account that allows you to send and receive money around the world. Through it, you can store and convert more than 50 currencies at any time in just a few seconds, regardless of the country. So I'm going to leave the direct link in the description for you to download the app and create your account. After you click on the link in the description, you will be redirected to download the app. Just click here on install. Once you click install, you're going to click here on open. I'm going to click down here to get started, and I'm going to create my account. To make it easier, guys, I'm going to create my account by logging in with my Gmail. So instead of putting in here the whole process manually, I'm just going to click access with Google. I'm going to click down here so I automatically sign in with a Gmail account. Then it will ask you what type of account you want to open, personal account or company account. So you're going to click on one of these options. I'm going to click here on personal account. Here he will ask for your proof of residence. I'm going to click down here on next, and here you will get a code for your cell phone. I'm going to put my area code in here, then my cell phone number. Once you've entered your number, you'll click below to receive a code. That's it. Now an SMS code will be sent. Just wait. Now I'm going to click down here to continue. And he asks what I want to do right now. Send money overseas, apply for a card for use overseas, or open a balance in a new currency. I'll decide later. I'm going to click down here on decide later. And that's it, guys. Account opening done successfully here in the Wise app. Pretty easy, pretty quick. Do you have any questions? Just put it down there in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll leave it at that. A big hug. Stay with God. Thanks, guys.